¿Te has preguntado cómo se reactiva el gigante europeo para enfrentar una amenaza como la de Rusia?
Vamos a hablar del regreso del Leopard 2. Un tanque que no solo representa la historia de Europa, sino también su futuro. Este no es solo un carro de combate. Es una obra maestra de ingeniería que está preparada para resistir los más feroces desafíos. Esto es la reactivación industrial en su máxima expresión. Bienvenidos al renacer del Leopard 2. Esto es Global Arms Factory.
Start the operation.
The Leopard 2 remains the benchmark. As shown in the schematics, the upgraded armor significantly reduces vulnerability across all theaters of operation.
This detailed view of the Leopard 2's modular design highlights why it remains the superior choice for the next fiscal year.
Systems check complete. Go ahead and power up the main conveyor. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, slowing down now. right, check the tolerance on that seam. We need it perfect before the next panel goes up.
Ensure the gauge is perfectly flush with the armor plate.
Confirmed. Reading matches the schematic exactly.
The alignment is within tolerance, Supervisor.
Confirmed. The schematics match the readout.
Caliper reading confirms the schematic, Supervisor. Beginning laser scan now.
The structural integrity looks sound. Proceed to the next section.
The laser scan confirms the integrity of the weld.
Noted. The tolerances here are critical. We can proceed.
Solid as a rock.
Built to last.
Lower it 5 millimeters.
Alignment is green across the board.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side. Easy now. Keep it level. Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side.
Lower the barrel 5 centimeters, hold it there.
5 centimeters, steady now.
Hold position on the traverse.
We're clear. Proceed with the lock.
Sensors initializing, stand by for green.
Okay, easy now. Bring the breech block forward.
Clear on this side. Engaging the torque wrench now.
Good. Now initiate the sensor calibration sequence. Laser alignment shows green. The gap is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Engaging the torque wrench now. Check the laser calibration again. Showing 0 deviation. Go ahead and secure. Alignment is good on the laser.
Feeler gauge shows 0 gap. Lock it down.
Is at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Initiate final locking sequence on my mark.
All connections secure. Run the diagnostic.
Power sequence initiated. We are fully operational. Status green.
Advanced thermal cameras and sensors are installed to improve visibility in any condition of the Leopard 2 tank.
Module is seated. Go ahead and lock the harness. Confirmed. Running diagnostics now.
Network connection established. We are online and secure.
Combat network established. Requesting mission parameters.
Network link established. All systems nominal.
Confirmed. Designate primary target Sierra Golf 1.
All systems are green. We are linked to the combat network, awaiting orders.
Bring it down slowly, watching the laser guides.
It's seated. Start the hydraulic connections on my mark.
Lasers confirmed, aligned. Lower the turret. Roger.
Torque wrench ready for auxiliary systems.
The propulsion system looks good, but check the torque on the 5th road wheel.
Data confirms optimal performance on the diagnostic. We are cleared for deployment.
Easy, bring her down slowly. Watch the manifold clearance.
Clear on the left side, Master Sergeant. Torque is set on the tracks, ready for inspection.
Check the torque on the lower plate bolts.
Reading 350 Newton meters. Within tolerance. Main armament torque checks out.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. The assembly is perfect.
Y así, ¿qué has presenciado? Desde la reactivación de una industria olvidada hasta el regreso de un gigante blindado.
El Leopard 2 no solo es un tanque, es la nueva cara de la guerra en Europa. Una Europa preparada para enfrentar cualquier amenaza. Esto es Global Arms Factory.